हाय एवरीवन, आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित मलिक गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील से आज फिर आपके साथ हूँ थोड़ा अपडेट लेके गुड़गांव मार्केट का, गुड़गांव रियलिटी मार्केट का। सबसे पहले तो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट फॉर लाइकिंग, शेयरिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग and calling so much for discussing as per your requirement regarding the Gurgaon reality market and the entire products of the Delhi Gurgaon NCR market. So lot of queries I received after making such an informative videos on the YouTube. It is being very inspiring. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for just sharing such a beautiful experience, for discussing such a beautiful outlets about the city which is undergoing on in such a long duration. In the last 30 35 days, 40 days, in the last 2 months of the market of the June and July, there are back to back launches inside the Gurgaon reality industry. So अगर हम देखें तो till yesterday there were 38 launches inside the city. So the market is going to be shooted out after the post COVID day by day. The builder are also keep on revising their prices day by day, and since as per inception of the market after the August, from the 1st September the builder will again revises their prices to tentatively 500 to 1000 rupees per square feet as per their products. तो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको अपडेट दे देता हूँ what is going on in the last 2 month scenario in the Delhi NCR Gurgaon market, so that you get an idea that where you should invest, what you should invest, how you should invest. You can log in our website myshopdeal.co.in also, so that you will find all the most informative information there in our blogs. Please like, share and subscribe my shop deal YouTube channel also, so that I can keep on making such informative videos for you. And whenever you are free, let's meet, let's plan for a cup of coffee, so that we can discuss your requirement as per your portfolio, and we can design the things as what you like and what you recommend. So I am Ankit Malik, and just telling you, in the last 60 days time duration in the Gurgaon reality market, there's a lot of launches which has been taken place. So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं गुड़गांव और नोएडा के बीच में प्लेस्ड फरीदाबाद एरिया में. So फरीदाबाद के अंदर WTC World Trade Center has been come up with a total coming up with a township of 400 acres in sector 110, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So they have launched the WTC Growth District Faridabad plots phase 1. So that already crossed more than 350 bookings in that phase, and from the 14th of August onward, they will also going to revise the plan of the prices of those plots of the second phase. So सबसे पहले जो पिछले 2 महीने के अंदर लॉन्च हुआ था वो WTC ग्रोथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट फरीदाबाद प्लॉट्स का लॉन्च हुआ था. सेकंड लॉन्च की अगर हम बात करें तो सेकंड लॉन्च वाज बीइंग देयर इन सेक्टर 92 बाय द DLF brand. So DLF has launched the floors by the name of DLF Independent Floors, DLF Garden City Sector 92. So they have launched approximately 150 inventories in the Garden City, which is a 1000-acre township of the DLF in that area, and they already closed almost all the units in that area. तो वहाँ पे भी mostly inventories close हो चुकी है. And the third launch was in Gurgaon by the Smart World developers in Sector 89. So Smart World is basically the child company of M3M, and they have coming up with the low rise luxury floors in sector 89 and in sector 61. Sector 89 they have come up with the City of Dreams, and in sector 61 they are coming up with the boutique floors, which is in front of Ideo Grand Hyatt Residencies. So if you are looking something which has a connectivity with very near to the metro, which is a rapid metro, sector 56, and so you should invest in the Smart World sector 61. Or if you are comfortable with the long-term investment return, then you can invest in the Smart World City of Dreams in Sector 89 also. So this is the fourth launch. Fifth launch, if I am speaking of, is an Aradhya Homes. So 4S developer has acquired the land bank of Ansal Varsalia. So that is in Sector 67, and they just acquired more the total land bank of Ansal Varsalia, and they just come up with the Aradhya Homes there. So Aradhya Homes are basically the 250 square yard and 300 square yard independent luxury floors in that area, starting from the range of 1.4 to 1.5. So phase 1 already has a possession in 2 to 3 months, and phase 2 has a possession in 6 months. So अगर आप extension road पे कुछ plan कर रहे हैं independent floors का between a ticket size of 1.4 to 1.5, so Aradhya Homes will be the most suitable product, as if you are okay with the floor. It's the most premium location, it's more centrally located, it's more close proximity to each and everything in the close vicinity. If I'm speaking for the fifth launch, So fifth launch is of Paris Acam plots, Roseview plots and Paris Acam Roseview floors, that is in sector 6 south of Gurgaon. So south of Gurgaon is a very neat and clean area. So if the people who are looking in open and the clean things in the fresh air and lap of nature, so वहाँ पे दिल्ली मुंबई फ्राइट कॉरिडोर के आने की वजह से और आपका सोना रोड फ्लाईओवर डेवलप होने की वजह से, ये दो चीज़ों की वजह से वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा बूम आएगा इन द कमिंग टाइम ड्यूरेशन. सो पारस की टाउनशिप के अंदर यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन द फ्लोर्स ऑल्सो एंड यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन द रोज व्यू प्लॉट्स ऑल्सो. स्टार्टिंग टिकट साइज फ्रॉम 50 to 60 lakh ऑनवर्ड्स. प्लॉट्स का फेस वन का ओपोजिशन दे ऑलरेडी हैंडेड ओवर. द सेकेंड फेज दे ऑलरेडी रिसेंटली लॉन्च. So they will going to be hand over within the time horizon of 6 months of the plots, and for the time horizon of 1.5 to 2 years for the independent Roseview luxury floors in that area. So if I'm speaking for the sixth launch, so that is the Central Park Mikasa plots. They already set a benchmark because the initial phase of the Mikasa plots, which were launched in 2017 and at a price of 38,000, and the second phase they have launched it at a price of 54 to 55,000, and the third phase they have launched it recently at a price of 1 lakh rupees per square yard. So Central Park is a developer which is known for the luxury. If you want to understand what type of luxury they used to take up inside their product, so Central Park Resorts, which they already delivered product and on the Sona Road in Sector 48, that is a product which has reaches from the price bracket of 5,000 to 18,000 in the present time duration. So that is the most luxury product in their portfolio which has they've been delivered in the past. So Central Park Mikasa plots is the another sixth launch in that in the last 60 days time duration. Another is the sample flat launching of the Central Park studio apartment Bella Vista. So Central Park Resort is already a developed product, already a habitated product where all the families are residing, all the clubhouses are operational. In the 50 acre of campus, it is a lush green area product. So they have launched another two towers by the name of Tower Alpha and by the name of another Tower Beta. So Tower Alpha is the tower which has the studio apartments in that area, in the Central Park Resort area, and the Beta Tower they are going to be launched in the coming some time in the very short duration. So that already had been launched at a price of 18,000 per square feet in that area, which is a benchmark on the Sona Road itself. They have already made it ready, the sample flat of the Central Park Bella Vista, and they're going to be showcase that sample apartment very soon. So I will definitely invite you to showcase to you that luxury sample apartment of the Bella Vista. और वहाँ पर जो बख्शी जी के वर्ड थे कि जस्ट लेट्स कम टू हैव वॉच ऑफ दैट सैम्पल अपार्टमेंट, और अगर उससे बेटर in the entire industry you find any 7-star hotel studio, so please let us know. So that type of product they are making to be get it developed in that area, and it will create a benchmark in that area. There is no other product, there is no other luxury benchmark which they have already set up in that product of Central Park Resorts by the name of the rooms which the studio apartment has the leasing which they had done it to Maruti at the price of 110 rupees per square feet, which is highest in the industry. And after that, all the other players or all the other developers have started taking the importance of studio apartment in the industry very seriously. Another launch is the 8th launch in the Gurgaon city, which is a Signature Global SG City Sector 37D. They have coming up with the luxury floors in that area, which is very well connected to the Hero Honda Chowk, which is very well connected to the Dwarka Expressway. So they have already launched the phase 2, 3, 4 and 5 of Signature Global Park in south of Gurgaon. So they have modified their versions because that product does not have the basement. And this Signature Global SG City 37D, they have again come up with the basement and the beautiful party terraces. So the basement has been divided into the office spaces and the terraces have been divided into the beautiful garden area and beautiful gazebos which you can use for the parties and all those things, and has been equally divided into all the 4 beautiful floors in that area. Another Signature Global SG City floors Sector 92. So it's a beautiful location in terms of the area wise. It is at you can call it the junction of the Gurgaon and the Manesar border, because किसी भी city के बीच में you have to leave a very big green belt at the border of the two cities. So sector 92 के बाद that the border of the Gurgaon and the Manesar starts, and they had just launched the SD City 92 there. After that you had a lush green belt of the landscape green, and it will remain there forever throughout the thing. So if you want to take the thing in the lap of nature, lap of fresh air, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is also very close proximity of that SG City floors in sector 92. So that is the another ninth launch in the city. So another is Vatika Signature Villas Phase 2. So Vatika is the developer which is known for developing the township. They never develop the land parcel of the small ticket size area for 10 acre or 12 acre. They are famous for delivering the township in Jaipur, in Ambala, in Gurgaon, and in other parts of the India. So they have already developed a township of 700 acres by the name of Vatika India Next, where all the families, all the commercials, all the residential is already being habitated. They have delivered a successful products there in that township by the name of Vatika Town Square 1, Vatika Town Square 2, Lifestyle Home, and the other product. So at the center of this very habitated area and very habitated location, they have launched the another phase of the super luxury villas in that area by the name of Signature Villas Phase 2. So that is a very special villas which they have launched in sector 83 of that area. Then the BPTP has launched another product by the name of District Walk. That is basically the high street commercial retail in Faridabad sector 81, which they have launched it recently in the. So if you're looking up from the market point of view, so along with the Gurgaon market, there's a lot of hype in the Delhi, Noida, and the other parts of the market as such. So the Faridabad is also the warm-up market. So after the WTC, the World Trade Center, the Godrej Retreat, and the WTC, the BPTP is also warming up the market along with the sideways launch of the Puri in that area. So they have launched a beautiful luxury retail outlet in that area in sector 81 by the name of BPTP District Walk sector 81. So if you know, the BPTP has the biggest land bank in that of the entire Faridabad. So whatever the builders have taken the land bank, like Godrej Retreat, they have taken it up from the BPTP, and they are the major land parcel holder in the Faridabad area. So that is another launch. The 12th launch is the launch of the Tower E in MR Palm Heights sector 77. So MR Palm Heights is the most premium location, which is bang on sector 77 on the National Highway. So it is very close proximity to the Golf Course Road, Extension Road, Dwarka Expressway, and the National Highway. So if working in the Cyber City or in the nearby area, that is the location which is well connected. So this is the another product which is 100% launched by MR Dubai portfolio. After the launching of MR Palm Premier, after the launching of MR Palm Heights, and this is the third of MR Palm Heights Tower E in the same product. So they have launched this new tower and already a ready to move in township there. Then 13th is the launch of MR Digi Homes. So MR Digi Homes is in sector 62. So they have already completed the superstructure of their three towers, Tower A, Tower B, and Tower C. So Tower C has only the 2-bedroom which they have not yet opened till today, but now they have opened the sales of MR Digi Homes Tower C also. Another is the launch of the M3M Corner Walk Sector 74 offices. So Corner Walk is again the product which is just adjacent to the upcoming DLF Cyber City 2, where the DLF Corporate Green offices are already there, operational, functioning, and the TCS has more than 7,000 employees there which are working there. So American Express का भी सबसे बड़ा कैंपस वहाँ पे बन रहा है, which is the biggest deal of Gurgaon of 30 crores per acre, and after that the M3M Corner Walk has launches the office spaces. So these are the only two floor plates of office spaces. So as a part of the product of M3M Corner Walk, so that is another launch. The 15th launch in the Millennium City is of the office spaces of AIPL Autograph. So अगर AIPL की बात करें तो that is one of my favorite brand in the industry, having a monthly rental income of more than 150 crores in the industry, and they have launched the product AIPL Autograph on the Golf Estate Road, Sector 66, adjacent to MR Marbella Villas. This is a product which they are not selling up in the market. They are just keeping the entire product with themselves so that they just enhance their rental income. So whatever the offices, whatever the products the EIPL has delivered in the past, they always keep more than 40% stake of the products along with themselves, so that they can enhance their rental income from the same portfolio. And also the control of the mall will again be retained by the EIPL, obviously only by their own. The another 16th launch in the city is AIPL Joy Gallery, which is bang on sector 66. तो अगर 66 की बात करें, that is on the extension road. वहाँ पे आपका you had a lot of other commercials like your M3 M65th Avenue is there, AIPL Joy Central is there, M3M IFC is there. These are the another commercials which already sent a benchmark on the ground floor. So if you're looking at a long-term investment of 3 to 4 years time duration, so AIPL Joy Gallery can be the perfect product, because they will hand over the position of that product in the time horizon of 3 to 3.5 to 4 years, and it is one of the most premium commercial high street retail of that area. Another, you can called it a launch by the Elan Paradise in Sector 50 Nirvana Country. So that is another super luxury high street retail commercial placed at the center of the Nirvana. So you can have the huge catchment. So what they have played this time, they have played with the vertical landscaping, they have played with the water bodies, they have played with the fireballs similar to you have found in the Oberoi hotels. So that is, they put a mixture of the water plus the landscape green plus the fireballs. So that makes this product is centrally located. Plus it is designed by UHA. So UHA London is again the architect which gives the most aesthetic design to one of the finest commercials of the entire Delhi NCR market. So another product is the Reach Group. So Reach is the another called, you can they are the Reach Group is one of the masters in the leasing in Gurgaon. If you see the Arya Mall, which is on the Sona Road, they have not sell a single inch, a single shop, a single retail of the Arya Mall. They have kept the entire Arya Mall themselves, and that bears the highest leasing rental value after the leasing of the Ambience Mall. लगभग 100 करोड़ का मंथली रेंटल इनकम है फ्रॉम द रीच कमर्शियल ऑफ द आर्या मॉल. So they kept 100% inventories with themselves for enhancing their rental value. Another successful product of the Reach Group portfolio is Reach 3 Road, which is in sector 69. It is also a delivered product with more than 80% leasing has already been done up by one of the most finest brand in that area. So this is the another they launched the certain boutique luxury floors first time in the industry, because earlier they are maintaining only the commercial portfolio. So they have launched the boutique luxury floors in the Sushant Lok sector 43. So I'll share the details along with those also shortly. The Bhumi Pujan has already been done recently this week, and they will hand over those luxury floors in the 2-year time duration. Another launch in the city, which is the 19th launch in the city of the Conscient Heinz Elevate Phase 2. So Conscient Heinz Elevate is the joint venture between the Heinz and the Conscient Group. Heinz is an international brand which has a presence in more than 50 countries, and Conscient is an Indian brand. So they have the tie-up and the joint product which they have launched is the Heinz Elevate. The construction by Tata Projects, the designed by the one of the finest architect, and it is the most famous location, sector 59. So they have launched the another new towers, or the phase 2 of tower D and tower E of the same product, and the prices which they have launched is 12,700, and they will revise the price again from 1st of September of this super luxury product on the Golf Course Extension Road. Another product is a DLF Phase 2 luxury floor. So DLF Phase 2 is another most primest location in the Gurgaon market, which does not need any introduction. It is just a close proximity to Delhi. It is a very close proximity to the IGI airport, with the Ambience Mall, with the most primest hotels like Leela, Oberoi, Trident, Lee Meridian, and these are the finest locations also. So phase 2 have launched the boutique luxury floors in sector 25, which is just adjacent to your cyber city. So if the people looking the connectivity from the Delhi, from the airport, so this product is again the perfect match as per their requirement. So the payment plan is again 25, 25, 50. The position time duration is 2-year time duration. Connect further with My Shop Deal team to know more about the detail of this product further. Then another launch in the city, which is again the 21st launch in the city, is of the another phase of Godrej Nature Plus, which is by the name of Godrej Serenity. So Godrej Nature Plus is already sales, already break the record of 250 bookings in just a single day once they launch the product, because they have used the more clean and fresh air concept in the industry. by introducing the CTFA technology, centrally treated fresh air. So that is the innovation which the Godrej Properties does in the market. So they come again with a bang with the very most successful product of the Godrej Serenity in sector 33 in Lap of Nature, South Gurgaon, near GD Goenka and KR Mangalam University. Another Godrej has also launched the Godrej Woods, the another second phase of the Godrej Woods, which is again a forest theme based concept homes, which has a total the garden inside the your project of Godrej Woods, the oxygen friendly atmosphere inside the project that they have launched in sector 43 in the central Noida, well connected with Noida city center metro station, well connected with the Okhla and well connected with the Delhi part. So the people who wants to invest in the Noida, then your Godrej Woods phase 2 sector 43 Noida can also be the another project which you can think for investing. Shobha City, Tower A3 and Tower A4 are the another launch in Sector 106 bang on the Sector 108 bang on the Dwarka Expressway on the 75-meter road. So Shobha is known for the quality construction. They already delivered the Infosys Mysore campus, which has again been done by the Shobha, and they have the presence in the Dubai, they have the presence in Bangalore and lot of other parts of the city. In Gurgaon, it is their first product by the name of Shobha City in Sector 108 Bangalore, 75-meter road on the Dwarka Expressway. So they have launched the most premium A3 and A4 towers, which are the lake facing towers. So that is, you can call the phase 2 of this Shobha City. Another launch, which is the 24th launch in the Gurgaon city, is the Vatika SAP Lab offices in Vatika Tower, Golf Course Road. So SAP Labs is already an existing client of Vatika, which has already taken the Vatika Tower offices in 2006, and they have another renewed the lease for the another 9-year time duration. So if you want to invest in the offices for the long term rental value, so SAP Lab is one of the finest and the most premium offices which you can invest. Vatika in the portfolio also has the Google offices, also has the McKinsey offices, but this is the recent lease which they already have renewed recently by the SAP Lab. So minimum investment is 85 lakhs in this product and the rental is approximately 40,000 per month. So if you are thinking to invest in the commercial, so this is one of the perfect product from the Vatika portfolio which you can invest in the Vatika in the longer run time duration. Another is the Ambience Creation Phase 2. So Ambience, I need not require to tell because they are already a masters of luxury. They already delivered the Catriona, the Leela is a part of Ambience. So they have opened all the towers currently of Ambience Creation, and they have opened the phase 2 of Ambience Creation. And this is the product which is the close proximity to Delhi, close proximity to airport, and it is a very close proximity to the cyber city also. So all the corporate clients who works as a director, CEO, CFO in the cyber city and don't want to travel more, so this is the perfect product for them, or the people from Delhi who wants to communicate from Delhi onward. So this can be again the perfect product as per their requirement. So yes, Ambience Creations is also the another 25th launch in the city, which they have opened all the floors, all the face, all the towers of the Ambience Creations. Then the 26th number launch is the JMS Prime Land plots in sector 95A Gurgaon. So that is again the most primest location in the DLF Garden City, where all the more than 70,000 families are already residing, and the demand for the plots keep on enhancing in the longer run after the back-to-back launches of BPDP, Oris, Vatika, Central Park, Anantraj. Another league in this portfolio launching of the plots is JMS. So JMS is a group which already had under construction two of the commercials like JMS Marine Square Sector 102, Dwarka Expressway, and JMS Crosswalk Sector 92. So these are the very strong portfolio. This is a very prime location also. And another launch is the Zephyr Floor sector. Another 27th launch is the Zephyr Floor by Experion. So Experion is the developer which has a presence in sector 108 by the township of Experion Westerlies, which is already present there, habitated area. Experion Hudsong are the ready-to-move-in products which the families are residing there. Zephyr are the super luxury floors in the township of Westerlies, where they have launched these luxury floors still plus 4 along with a beautiful landscape design in that area. Another is ready-to-move-in floors in sector 70A by BPTP portfolio in the township of BPTP Star Garden. So they received the occupancy certificate of BPTP pedestal floor, low-rise floor is still plus 3, where the terrace right is with the third floor, and all the three floors are beautifully designed with the perfect landscaping, with the perfect 2 acre of centrally green area, beautiful clubhouse, and it is bang on the extension road. So ticket size from 1 to 1.5. They have launched it recently with a very limited inventory. It's already an inhabited area. Another launch is MRG World, the Skyline Sector 106. So MRG Group, which is already known for their products, they have launched another phase of their product in Sector 106, and launching just within 6 hours, that product is entirely sold out. So they have only 700 units, and they have received more than 3,000 application forms of that product of MRG World, the Skyline Sector 106. Then another is the which is the 30th launch is by Trump Tower Phase 2. So Trump Tower has also opened the second block of their units, which are available in the M3M Golf Estate in the Trump Tower Phase 2 in Sector 65, bang on the Golf Course Extension Road, with the more super luxury amenities, with a more primest location. So that is the product which already reached the mid-construction, construction by Shapoorji, designed by Morphogenesis, the most primest and the most habitated location on the extension road. So Trump Tower is ready to make the bang again once in the Gurgaon market. Then Adani, which is Adani Oyster Grand, which does not need again any introduction. So they are about to open the another tower of the 4 bedroom, which the superstructure is ready in the project Adani Oyster Grand Sector 102 Dwarka Expressway. So they have also opened the another tower of the 4 bedroom in that area. So that is the 31st launch inside the city. Another launch which is the 32 launch inside the Gurgaon is the M3M Flora. M3M Flora is the another towers in the M3M Marina, Sierra, Natura, and Iconic in Sector 68. So it is a delivered product by M3M portfolio, and they have launched the new towers inside the same project by the name of M3M Flora. So you can see what are the amenities are there inside that product of M3M Natura, and then you can decide to buy the units in the product of M3M Flora. The biggest USP, it is very well connected. After that, the entire Aravali belt is there, and it is directly connected with the Sona Road, and it is the more it's a lot of artificial lake inside the campus of the same product. Another 33 launch is the Neo Centra. Neo is the brand which is already a delivered product, Neo Square, which is bang on the Dwarka Expressway in Sector 109, and from their portfolio with a very strong in the leasing, with a very strong in the retail brand, in the hospitality brand. So Sector 103 does not have that much of commercial, since as per the residentials are very much in that area, but they have launched another product by the name of Neo Centra, which is a combination of a high street retail, food courts, restaurant, beauty, and a very prime location on the 75-meter road, which caters all the traffic of the Shobha, which caters all the traffic of the Shobha Villas, which caters all the traffic of the ATS, another Experion, Westerlies, then Godrej Meridian, BPTP, Star Garden. So that is what they will cater in the coming time duration. Then another launch is by the MR Dubai portfolio by the SEO plots, SEO space for commercial office spaces, similar to the CP Delhi, similar to Sector 29, similar to the M3M, which they already been launched in Sector 84 and in Sector 114. Similar to the Sector 29 market, they have launched the super luxury floors at the just central border part of the Delhi Gurgaon market. So Sector 114 is the another launch by MR EBD plots, Sector 114. Then another upcoming product, which is again in Sector 114 by the portfolio of a Space brand. So Space is one of the masters on the commercials in the Gurgaon reality. On the Sona Road, they had delivered back-to-back commercial like Space Business Park, Space Plazo, Space Boulevard, a lot of other products also. Along with the residentials, commercials, they already delivered a successful 4 residential products also. So they have a very prime land bank in the Delhi-Gurgaon border. So they are coming up with the SEO plots in that area, which you can design the markets similar to Sector 29 Gurgaon. Another launch, which is the 36th launch in the Gurgaon, is from the M3M portfolio by the name of M3M Loft 74. So these are the double height studio apartments from the M3M portfolio, bang adjacent to the sector 74 where DLF corporate greens is already being there, and